In this video, we are going to show you how to open a direct support ticket with development teams in Hermes Agent. Now, the thing is, you don't really need to go to your, because I'm just installing it right now. So to get direct support from Hermes Agent, the best method is to submit an issue directly to the developers on the official new research / Hermes Agent GitHub repository, which is this, right? So all we need to do is just click on here and says and type in this, right, agent issues, enter that, and you're going to be brought to the issues option here, right? So it's pretty much a forum in GitHub, and you need to be logged in. So to open a report, open one of these so that the devs can get in touch with you. Click the green new issue button. After that, select the appropriate template, so bug report, or is it a feature request, etc., to ensure your issue includes the right debugging fields. After that, fill out the ticket with the following necessary information, or the most important information, and then click submit new issue to send it to the developers over here, right? And it's going to be one of these, and they are going to get to you when they have the time and they've cleared up the older ones. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.